This could be one of the coolest days ever in the world. I am so excited about this. These are from SAE. They are 6-inch long quarter hex drive sockets, both metric and standard. Maybe yours is different, but let me show you how my life is. Let's say I take this, I want to work on something. Here's what I end up doing. Come on over here. You go to this drawer here, you get like your 1/4-inch driver, put that on there. Then you kind of go over here, get an extension, get the socket you want, and now you're in business. This is a little more than 6 inches, but this is basically how I've made this work up to this point in my life. Let's see what size this is. This is 14 millimeters. Now that I've got this set from SAE, I go like this, right? I pick this up, go here to the one that says 14 millimeters, pull it out of the case, go like that. That is it. That's the whole project. I am ready to go do some construction. That is freaking amazing. So exciting. I have to say, I haven't seen this before. I love tools, but what can I say? Love this new tool. I need to go build something now. So I will catch you later. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.